Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own electronic business card. Add it to your email, or you can put it in your website. These are all the basic shapes that I'm going to create. First thing, we go into the shapes and make our business card background. Okay, we'll start with the name. Take out the outline. Let's just see here. We'll go into the text fill, select our color, outline, make it black, and maybe a little bit heavier. We highlight the text, go into text effects, bevel. We're going to select the first one, and it's a little bit on the thin side. I wonder if we can make it a little bit bigger. Let's just see. This one we went with 65, and this one we went with 45. Let's do that. 65. I'm going to make this outline black. Got our email. That's 30, and that's 25. 30, 25, 30. Okay. Insert. I'm just going to copy it over. Okay. To save time. It's the same thing we did up here. Change the color, then we add a bevel. I'm going to save some time here. And we're going to do it on one box here. Just wait. I didn't want it changing. Text fill. Back to what it was. I'm not sure why. I don't want it underlined. Let's get rid of that. Let's see if this is 30. Make that 30. This is 30. This is 25. This, I believe, was 30 as well. Okay. This card is a lot bigger. Let's see what it was. 1130, let's say, and 21. 1130 and 21. 21.05. That's better. some space here. Move that over. Okay. Now the real work will begin. I'm going to go insert shapes, an L shape. I believe this is the one. Something like this is the one. Now we're just gonna make it thinner. That color, I want it a little bit darker. That. Okay. Give it a bevel. I'm gonna copy this. Give it that. I think with this one, let's just say, let's look at the gradient. Okay, we're going to choose it from the top. Now this shape fill we'll take out. Same with this one. No fill. And then let's add a bevel to that card. Now we can use our shapes and create our logo. I don't know, hopefully this isn't somebody's trademark or anything like that. I tried to make it as generic as possible. And so let's go get some shapes. I need a triangle. I need a square. What else? We'll need this shape, which we already taken. Let's find it again. Here we go. Gonna make it yellow. Bit of a outline there. Let's bring that down a little bit. Let's make it 280, 250 each. 250, 2.5 I should say. And then this shape here. Okay, so for this shape, we're just going to create it out of a square. I'm going to use edit points. So let's just go here. First, let's tilt it this way. Go edit points. Add a point, bring it in. And it's kind of going to sit out here like that. The top part. Sorry for all the back and forth. You know, I'm just going to move it up here and compare it. I mean, you can do this on the fly. You can make whatever shape you want. That's all. So this goes, let's twist it like that actually. Let's get it like that first. Then we're going to take this point. Yes, I'm cheating, but that's okay. Okay, this is pulled in a little bit more. Let's bring that in. Okay, good enough. That's just in the interest of time. I don't want to be editing it forever. For color, that's a lighter. Let's go with the lighter color match. I think that's the one. That's all right. This one, let's bring this up. Close enough. Okay. I think that's all we need to do. Assemble it. And I'm going to just move this down. Shift, select both. Bring it down. I don't know if that's what size they are, if they're too big. This one's small, but we can change that. Let's go like that. And you know what? I'm just going to see what it is. 286, 285. 2.86. Okay. Turned around this way. Oops. How is this one? Three point 3.36, 3.37. Okay. We just want to create a square boundary around there. Okay, so now we're going to grab this whole thing and put it down a little bit more. Give it some distance. Okay, it's actually good. It's by there. This is closer. Bevel each one separately. You can bevel all of them together. It's also possible. Okay, it's a little bit on the lighter side, but that's okay. And then this one, that. Okay. I don't know if I should bring them on the same page and just compare them. This one's laid out a little bit nicer. I think everything has to go a little bit higher. Let's go up there. You could also print off this card, give it to a printer, and they can print it for you. You can make it a little bit darker. Yeah, so something, let's say like that. And you add the bevel back, and it looks a little bit more stylized. This is okay. I don't think those ones had it. Let me do the same with all the pieces. Shape, fill, gradient. Then go. You just go find bevel, remove it, shape fill, gradient. If you wanted it like that, you can have it like this, or like this. Let's go like that. A little bit different. Shape effects, bevel. Let's go like that. Sometimes less is more. And then I'm going to go select objects while I'm in the home tab. And then you select everything, shape format, and then you group it. And I like to go and just put that to fixed position. So now you can move the whole thing. Let me just see here. Down here. I think we need to put our bevel on here. There we go. Somehow that got lost. So now you can move it. You can print it. You can copy, paste it as an image. So if you go copy, and then I don't have another page here. Let me just get another page. Oops, it moved. So let's put it on here as an image here, picture. Okay. I'm just going to change that to that, and now you can move it. So now it's a picture. Save it as a JPEG and then use it for emails. Once you make it into a picture, there's one thing I want to add, and that's you can go into picture format, artistic effects, and then change it to different formats, if you will. This one, for example, came out really nice. There's also color, if you wanted just a solid color. But yeah, you can experiment and go through and pick your color options and see what's there. You can set the temperature. Saturation, of course. Yeah. So that's it. Thanks for watching.